This is the highest rated screen protector for the iPhone XR on Amazon. Approaching 3,000 reviews on Amazon, and it has 5 stars. So we're going to be installing this on the iPhone XR. I'm going to be giving you my thoughts, my initial impressions. This case has a lifetime warranty available on it, which you may have to register your product for, but that is always good. What is also included in this box is 2 extra screen protectors. So in this box, you have 3 total screen protectors. So if one breaks, I guess, you can always use another one, but there's a lifetime warranty, so you may not need to. This is anti-fingerprint, ultra slim, hydrophobic coating, and super hardness. I'm assuming that means something with the hardness scale. I'm not all that familiar with the hardness scale, but 9H for those who are interested. Okay, so let's open this sucker up. So there's a little open indicator right there in the back. Open this up, we'll move the phone out of the way for right now. Take the contents out. So we have 1 screen protector, 2 screen protectors, 3 screen protectors. We'll put the box over there for now. Put these over there for now as well. What is this? An Amazon, a $10 Amazon gift card. Share a short 5-star review on Amazon. No image needed. Redeem the gift card at, there's an email here, and title your email this title. So that may be why there's so many 5-star reviews of this case on Amazon. I'm not sure. So this, I guess we'll see if this case actually holds up to the 5-star review. So what do we have here? We have a little bit of a information packet, maybe warranty, installation information. We have register within 14 days for your warranty. Put that right there. We've got some dust absorber stickers. One batch of stickers for each of the protectors. These, I'm assuming, are the dry wipes. Again, 1 for each screen protector. There are 3 of them, and some some instructions. So what do we have? So step 1: use the wet wipe to remove any dirt on the screen. Step 2: use the dry wipe to ensure all dust and liquid have been removed. Okay, so first step, we have to clean the screen off with the wet wipe. So we'll do that. These are separated, wet wipes and dry wipes. All right, that's done. Step 2: use the dry wipe to ensure all dust and liquid have been removed. So now we'll get the dry wipe. Same fabric and everything, it's just one's wet, one's dry. Something I forgot to mention about this case is how affordable it is. It's under $10 on Amazon, which is pretty crazy. It's almost half that price actually, which is really good for a screen protector bundle that has 3 screen protectors in it. All right, what step are we on now? Place the guidance frame on top of the phone. So we have an indicator that says top right here. Align the glass along this edge. Align the glass along this edge. Okay. Bottom right there. Okay, there we go. Dab the sticker side of the dust absorber to eliminate any amounts of debris on the screen. So we have a big sticker right here called the dust absorber. We're going to be using that. There we go. Remove the bottom protective layer by pulling away at the top rectangular tab. So this is on the screen protector itself. So we want to remove this protective layer, the screen protector altogether. Underneath here is the sticky side of the screen protector itself. So this bottom side, which is being covered up by this protection layer, is going to go on top of the phone. So we need to remove this. And then place this on the iPhone without touching the bottom side. Tap the center of the screen protector. The protector will start to adhere to the screen. If there are any bubbles, use your finger to press down and drive the bubbles out toward the closest edge. Okay. Yep, so the bubbles are coming out here. And finally, remove the guidance frame from your phone, and your phone is now protected. All right, now it is a little bit of a fingerprint magnet, but if you have a microfiber cloth, it's pretty easily gotten rid of. All right, let's turn the phone on and see how well the screen looks underneath the screen protector here. Initially, it looks about normal. Now the protector itself does feel like glass. It has a reflective surface. It's not a matte surface, so you will see reflections in here. But the screen itself is like that, so I don't really see. There's not much of a difference between the screen itself and having this extra protection layer on top of it. So here's what the phone screen looks like with the screen protector on top of it. Looks normal to me. Looks about the same. There's no artifacting on the screen or like difference in color or contrast or anything like that. Very responsive to your touch. Yeah, I mean just as responsive as if there's no screen protection layer on here at all. It feels it's not very frictiony, I guess. It's not difficult to slide your finger on top of it. It feels almost the exact same as the screen itself. So you're really not going to notice much of a difference at all. Now the screen protector I'm using for the iPhone 11 Pro Max here, it has a matte finish, and there is a little bit of a difference. There is a little bit more of a what's the word? A friction. It's not a lot, but this one is a little bit different, and that may go away after time the more you use it. But yeah, overall thoughts initially, it looks like it's going to do its job. Lifetime warranty. There are 3 screen protectors included in this package. So if one breaks for whatever reason, you can either call up the warranty hotline, get a replacement, or just use one of your other 2. Installation process was very easy overall. The protector itself feels almost exactly like the phone screen. Looks exactly like the phone screen. So the box did say this was anti-fingerprint, which fingerprints do show up. I mean, they're not, I don't know. You can definitely tell that they're there on the screen when the screen's not on. So I wouldn't say that anti-fingerprint is necessarily true, but the fingerprints aren't all that bad. But they're definitely noticeable. So I guess that's one issue I would have immediately with this case, or at least with the advertising of this case. I would imagine that would be true with any kind of glass screen protector that you have. That's just the nature of glass. It's going to attract fingerprints. So that is the unboxing, installation, and my first thoughts and impressions of the Purity premium glass screen protector for the iPhone XR. And again, this does fit the iPhone 11 as well. I will put a link to this in the description if you're interested in checking it out. Like I said before, it is the highest rated screen protector on Amazon right now. 5 out of 5 stars, almost 3,000 reviews. If you're in the market for something like this, it is very, very cheap. It's worth it. It's more than worth it for the money. I mean, you definitely get what you're paying on, what you're paying for this product. You definitely get that back in materials, I would imagine. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more. See y'all next time.